hello. Did you like this project? Did you just watch the walkthrough? And do you like to make exactly the same with all the things that I used? Then I have a kit for you guys and I'm going to show you what's inside the kit. So what's inside? Of course the ribbons is inside. Of course the flower set is inside. All the embellishments that I show you, even the groom, everything is inside. The braids, the eyelets, all kind of charms, the beads, everything is inside, guys, everything. Of course the papers, you will get 78 sheets in total, 12 double-sided, six sheets each, and the cover has also a nice back. And so this is one set, so you will get 6 of these. So cute, so adorable, so much to cut out. So 6 sets of these, then you will get this big pack of paper. Look at that, so that is huge. Then of course you will get also the 4 envelopes that I used. You will get a clear piece, so you will get enough to make your clear pockets. You will get the crocodile bookbinder's linen. And of course you will get 3 pieces of 2mm chipboard. And then you can make exactly the same project as I did. So just send me an email, guys. The link, the video of the email is below every video to be found. So just send me an email and just get it. Get it before it's gone. Bye bye. Look how cool this looks together. It's just amazing. Yeah. You're definitely gonna send me an email. I see you.